And we are Beanie!
Welcome back to
Beanie on Google!
Official hashtag ay
Beanie Hair Revelation!
Happy Wednesday and thank you Spotlight for having us today. Sa mga hindi po nakakilala sa amin, hi po, we are Beanie, a girl group from ABS-CBN po. And if you wanna, and we're about to debut this coming June po. Next week na! This one.
Yes, next week na! June 11.
Yes.
Sana po nakabili na kayo ng tickets at sa mga hindi pa, it's still available sa kbx.ph. Yes.
Yay! And if you want to know more about us po, visit our social media accounts po. Beanie TV on YouTube and on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, it's B_PH. Pati po sa TikTok yan. Meron po kami dyan mga dance performances, vlogs, and chronicles. Mas makikilala niyo pa po kami dyan. Kaya,
Yes, meron pong journey as a namin before.
Ano ba rin daw sila? Mga VIP daw sila. See you!
and invite nyo na rin yung mga friends nyo para makapanood na rin sila.
And thank you din sa mga bumili kahit yung general admission po. We highly appreciate it all. Thank you po.
You appreciate it? This is a pen. Awan.
RIP.
Wow, we have 4,000 viewers.
Yes! Send some love, you stickers!
Para marinig ng blue kung gano'n natin sila kamahal. Yes.
Thank you
Send love. Your Sunday stickers. Yeah. Hello, 4,000 viewers.
Wow!
Yes.
Hi guys! We are Beanie.
Hi guys, we are Beanie. We are Beanie. Hi everybody. Thank you for sending your love. For having the heart for me. Hi everyone.
Yes, yo. Thank you, Army.
So yun na nga po, Blooms, nag-release po kami ng poster kahapon.
Wow!
Yes! Yun po yung poster po for our launch po, yung part 2 namin na launch. So as you can see po sa picture na yon, my sweet and fierce. So dun po sa picture na yon, nagpapakita talaga ng duality natin. Siyempre from sweet, nagiging fierce kami. Kaya namin both, you know? Yeah.
Spicy.
Yes. And sabi dito sa comment, dito malabas ako. RRXYX. Tagal ng June! And sabi niya din eh, ang hirap pa sa ng name niya. Ursula John, wow, stand to walk please. Thank you. Thank you po. Send stickers if nagustuhan niyo po. Sobrang lapit na talaga. 1 week na ako, hindi talaga pa nagsikin sa akin.
Same.
So, hindi pa nagsikin sa akin kasi nandun talaga yung mas pressure ako. Kasi syempre, matagal tayo inaantay ng mga tao. So, kailangan talaga natin magbigay ng outstanding performances. So, tsaka siguro nasanay tayo na nandito lang tayo sa bahay. Tapos parang biglang, ay, shocks! Lalabas na tayo. Perform na ulit tayo after, ilang months yun. Kailan tayo nag-perform?
Last
Friday? February. Diba?
yung meeting.
3 months ago. Sobrang tagal na yun.
Really? Grab your tickets po at ETF. Let's go.
Madami pa tayong tickets. Hindi kayo mauubusan. So grab yours now.
And guys, kasabay ng aming launch ang release ng aming baby single na
Born to win.
Woo! Are you guys excited? Kasi we're so excited. How about you guys? How do you feel? How do you
So excited, like,
How do you feel, Bebe?
Yun. Sam Singers Bloom kung excited na kayo for
Actually, mas lalo akong na-excite nung na-release yung Born to Win recording series. Napanood niyo po ba yun? Na-post siya, di ba? Kanina. Yes.
Girl power.
Girl power. We are ready to conquer the world. Girl power, yeah.
Thank you for sending stickers.
Pero basahin natin yung ibang comments kasi may mga nabasa akong comments. Sabi nila, basahin mo, Bebe, kung maintindihan mo. Aqua Jowa _official_. Your smiles when recording means a lot for me or us. Nakaka-excite lalo. Ooh, I cannot think at the moment. Charm, lovely girls. Yeah, we love you too. I can't hate it. From Read by Nickname. Hello po. Yes, conquer and inspire the world, girls. Yes, we will. Right, girls?
Sam Stickers, if excited na kayo, Bloom. Early to class. Yes.
sabi ni Pao, ang ganda ni Gwen.
Extra.
Patawanin ko sa siya na alam niyo ba guys, may pinaghahandaan si Gwen para sa inyo mamaya. Kaya siya pa unahin mo.
Ganun ba? Oh my gosh.
Mika Sabi.
Wait, may i-announce ako.
Loops, listen to me. Listen up. Napanood niyo na ba ang bagong post ng Star Music PH? So let me hear it. I'm on it, right? Nagugulat sila, right? Yeah. Super nagugulat. Ang dami nagsasabi na Loops na si Ate Colette daw yun, si Gwen daw yun, or ako. May nagko-comment. So, Loops, who do you think it is? Say so next. What? So let's go, Gwen. I'm on it.
Oh my God.
Si Joanna!
It's Joanna.
So let me hear it, I'm on it. So let me hear it, I'm on it. So let me hear it, I'm on it. So let me hear it, I'm on it.
Ako talaga yun, guys.
Guys, it's me. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. It's me. Ay, sinasabi ko.
Si Ate Jose daw.
Me nga it's me. So let me hear it, I'm on it.
Oh my gosh.
Akala ko talaga siya. Okay, so let me hear it, I'm on it. So let me hear it, I'm on it. Ate Jovi, sample ko, Ate Jovi. Sabi nila magkakaboses daw tayong lahat. So let me hear it, I'm on it.
Okay, lapit na kayo.
Listen up muna, listen up. Tapos pulanin na.
Rock na.
Listen up. Bye.
Listen up.
Let me hear my 5, 6, 7, go.
So let me hear it, I'm on it.
Yes,
Actually, first syllable po, different tao.
ako.
Kunyari. Doon ako sa ano. Kaya ako yung story na sa. Ganun siya. Okay, let's start po. Ganun siya.
Yes!
May
Sabi ni Mai,
kudos kay Ma'am Anna Green.
Tradition.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Tradition.
And
Thank you po, Mang Won XIX for Universe po. And I think girls, let's move on to our next segment.
And guys, nakita niyo po ba yung concept photos namin? Complete na po siya. Nag-start po siya upload last week. So, ang gagawin po namin ngayon, send one to Universe per one Dini member and we will recreate our concept photos. Depende sa'yo kung ano gusto mo, kung yung fierce or the sweet. Send one to Universe for one Bini member. Starting from Ate Mandoy. We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna do it like this. Do it like that.
Ayan, nag-send ng universe.
Let's go, Alon.
So, nakatayo po ako.
Tayo, virgin.
Yes! Diyan tayo.
Ay, screenshot, screenshot.
Diba?
Ganda. Happy birthday.
Friend, Carleto Collapse. Hot, Maloy.
Sa letrang B.
Bini.
Next up.
Next, meron na nag-send na ng Universe.
It's Sheena.
Universe. Ito na yung universe for Sheena.
Yes, send one to Universe.
Birthday
Up.
girl.
Nasa poster daw tayo lang naman. May progress.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. They can try on the Austria for
It's me.
universe.
It's fierce.
It's me, Pierce.
Yes, like
The fruit.
Pierce.
Oh, I have the hair. Guys, iba na hair ko. Pierce.
Piercing. Any
Sorry. You.
grabe ka na.
Hey,
Screenshot! Screenshot po! Okay na. Send her dito po. If you enjoy it. Live na live.
Nakasambay na ko. Hello? And send to Universe for Gwen. And re-recreate niya po yung concept photo niya.
Send to Universe.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you, Shadensha.
Go guys.
Oh, Pierce.
Go, Gwen.
Minus Pierce.
Wow! Hello, hello!
Okay. Yes.
Yung nasa mo.
Remember.
Pwede kami mo muna phone.
Dapat lang nakaupo. Happy birthday, Brad. Sorry, naka-red siya eh.
Send stickers for Ate Gwen. Ganda ng outfit.
Hanapan niyo.
Alam mo, tumatawag sa akin sa outfit.
Arte naman, outfit.
Yes, ganda.
What's the outfit?
Ay, ganda.
Ching ching! Screenshot!
Kando!
Thank you, Connie! Next, it's Aya's turn. Light daw yung gusto nila for you, Ate Aya. Nice. The light.
Thank you, Mama.
Hi, thank you.
Wow, Lisa.
Lisa Fernando Apuli. Lisa Sigara.
Halo, halo. Go, ano? Ate Aya.
Wow!
Wow! Screenshot!
Ay, nakagano.
Agadon!
Yes. Thank you guys for sending
Thank you.
here.
Wow! Si Stacey po kanina ba nagtataob sa upuan? Next! Ate Colette! Yan!
Ako gusto ko yung first niya.
Great!
Sa first time.
Send po universe po for Ate Colette.
Maganda rin sweet po, baby.
Thank you, Dancer! Thank you!
Hindi ko maangat yung ano ko kasi basa yung ano ko. Titiliti. Yeah, this is my photo.
Wow, ganda
Fierce.
naman. Grabe naman
Fierce.
ito. Tao ka ba?
Bini Colette Vergara.
Napakaganda. Magandang dilaw.
Oh, she's 19 years old. She is 164 cm.
Ayan na! Ayan na!
39 kilograms. Send 1.
Let's go, Mika! I support our visual.
Si nag-send. Thank you, Serenity. May maintindihan ko na ganyan sa amin.
Like my art. Sweet. Dalawa.
Ay, more. Or, hatiin mo yung mukha mo. Tapos,
Dark daw, dark.
Light daw, light.
Light.
Bright, bright, bright.
Paano to gawin?
hawakan mo sa sako.
Okay.
Send stickers, guys! Thank you!
Grabe. Next, Stacy!
Joanna po, Joanna. Grabe.
Gusto ko si Joanna ang class.
Grabe talaga.
Let us all welcome Joanna Robles all the way from Calamba Institute.
Light concept.
Light tayo.
Go Catherine! Salita from Barcelona. Screenshot!
Kamukha ko daw si Kuya Darren.
Guys! Sabi niya, Master, ang ganda mo now. Send one communiverse po. Hello, ma'am. Send po kayo one communiverse. Thank you, Shedester. Representing. Dwelling to service. Kaya, yun na. Stay. Wow. Sample, Macy and white. Dark concept, go.
Dark concept. Okay.
Ano?
Wala akong grade, so... Bakit nag-lag?
Wait, it lang. Okay, go.
Thank you!
You're so pretty. Stacy and white. Magandang dilag. Oh, so gosh. Mga positive feedback sa concept po.
Upuan na rin.
Actually, nababasa po namin siyang lahat. And yeah. Thank you so much.
Sorry po. Pasensya na po. Ganito talaga pag-live. Hindi ito may iwasan. Pasensya na. Pasensya. Buong ko muna ka tayo. Go.
Yes, perfect yung class.
Correct.
Class, you enjoyed our session.
Yes, our
Tayo sa the floor.
us recreating our concept photo. Kaya ba? If you haven't seen it, ano lang po siya, nakapost na siya sa Instagram and Twitter, PD_PH.
Teka, ang dami nangyayari. Pasensya na po.
Thank you po sa mga nagsisend and thank you si Dexter sa
Sorry po, medyo ang dami po nangyayari.
Yes, thank you so much for all the blessings.
Wait lang po natin yung tatlong girls.
Yes, they're having a crisis right now. Yes. Ate Jo, we need you. We need our leader.
We need your presence. We need your presence, Joanna.
Ate Jo, we need you. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po sa dancers na nagbigay ng tumbler po sa amin. Gamit na gamit po namin siya. Thank you so much po.
Yeah, thank you po. This is Colette.
1, 2, 3, go!
Thank you, Dexter!
Water.
Guys, don't forget to
aming mukha sa tumbler.
Meron po kami.
Right,
ito po.
Mix?
This is Colette's tumbler and may sticker po siya dito na may mukha.
Yes. Ano iba't ibang kulay po kami.
Thank you po.
Drink your water, girl.
Drink your water.
Uy, sabi ni JR Dolana, ako po nag-edit ng sticker sa Tumblr. So nice.
Nice.
Para ma-receive yung bat, di ba na post?
Thank you, JR. Dolana.
Yes. Ang cute ng artwork.
Thank you po for the artwork.
So, yes, let's move on to our segment for today. So, last Monday is, nagkaroon po kami ng own version namin ng beauty pageant. And for the celebration of Flores de Mayo and nakapag-rap pa na po, nakapag-Q&A na po and nakapag-talent na po ako, si Abby Aya, Mika, and Joanna. And for today is si Joanna naman po, si Stacy, Colette, and Gwen. So, yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah!
Sheena.
I'm sorry, baby! I'm sorry! Oh, yeah, si Sheena, si Stacy, si Colette, at si Gwen. Yan, sila naman po yung rarampa for today. So,
Wait lang! Sorry! Natawa ko sa sinabi ni Pauline Sofia. Pakilayo po ang mic kay Sheena, ha? Baka biglang tumawa ng Hindi ko na po hawak. Sabi po kayo.
okay.
I will not shout for tonight.
Yeah, so, Globe help us reach 50,000 diamonds for the next contestant. So, send stickers! Send stickers!
Thank you, Franco, for sending blind tips.
Thank you, Franco! Thank you!
Sarah Hale, mahal kita. Thank you, Trinity Reyes Galang, for the community.
Thank you so much po!
Hi, Lola is watching. Hi, Nina Nene.
Thank you po for the chocolate hills.
At dahil dyan, magpapalakpakan tayo! Yes, sino na yung next contestant? Guys, after the
Ayun, comment down below kung sino po yung contestants.
Okay, ready? Let's count.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Feeling ko hindi ako yung yes.
Let's go, Gwen.
I'm gonna read the question.
Oh, yeah,
Introduce
go.
yourself first.
Ayan.
Then, Sarah Hale,
It's my turn.
going from Bobo Chico.
Let's go.
Ano? Oh, sorry.
I'm Gwen.
Introduce yourself first.
Sorry pa, ano na.
Please introduce yourself, Gwen.
Hi, I'm B. Gwen from Albay, Philippines.
Okay, this is your question, Miss Albay. Who is your drink?
Who is your greatest source of inspiration and why? Yeah, so my, ano?
Who is your greatest inspiration?
Of course, it's my family. Hindi ko lahat naman po kami, family yung inspiration namin, and yan kung kaya kami nandito, and kasama namin silang bumuo ng mga pangarap namin. Uy, magdadrama na ba tayo dito eh? Yan. So what's next?
Gusto mo pa ng next?
I miss my family. I miss Albay. I miss my family and my mga kapatid.
What's your talent?
My talent is ang ganda ng ulo. Ang ganda ng ulo.
Let's go.
Let's give it up. Where? Here. Send dito cups for Gwen ka.
Yes, and stickers.
Let's welcome ang beautiful Butsuwiti ng Albay, Gwen!
Gwendolyn May Akuli. Gwen Akuli.
Try mo daw tumawa like Nano. Nano?
From ano mo yung kanto dyan sa ano? Sa, naghahanda na po si Gwen sa kanyang
Ang galing daw ni Jo mag-host para daw ni Gonzaga.
Wow! Joanna, ang galing mo daw mag-post para ka daw Tony. Ate Tony Gonzaga.
Actually, ko siya po si Miss Tony.
Okay lang yung
Let's go!
Johnny Gonzaga.
Beanie Gwen actually is a 17-year-old Bunsuiti from Albay. She believes in the beauty of modeling, and she's Nano from Girl From Nowhere.
She's 6'1", mahinay pero observant. Ang nais daw ni Gwen na abot sa kanyang buhay ay ang mga bituin walang hilig. Kaya patuloy ang pangarap.
Grabe, diba?
Nakakal pa si Gwen, guys. Ano siya cover?
I like your chain.
I think you're fine. Yes, I think you're right. I enjoyed it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Julie.
Thank you, Julie, for the stickers. And thank you, Raisa, for stick it on the wall. And stick it on
I can't do this anymore.
Run to the left. Run to the right. Yes, let's move on to the next one. Thank you, Gwen.
Ang free
Thank you so much. Guys, next candidate at 90K. Keep sending stickers.
Next candidate po, 90K. 90K diamonds. So, keep on sending stickers. So, natira na lang ay si Sheena, Stacy, and May. Kung
Hayo.
Let's go. How many more stickers do they? How many diamonds more? 90. I think I know. 6-1.
Kayo na naman.
I'm Maribel.
Ano nakalimutan ko?
169.
Hi, Kyle.
68, 168.
Kyle lang.
Hi, Mariel. Go. Here's ka na. Let's go. Update mo ko. Sheena. Idol. Yan, kamukha. Sarah G. Dazay. Yes.
Ate Colette.
Yes.
Hi naman guys.
Hi, Lily.
Hi, ako si Michelle. Hi, Dana.
Hi, Marco. Hi, hello,
Dana, I know you.
Last 13K.
Hi, PGY Jelly. Hello.
Hi, Strain. Hi, Lynn. Hi. Hi.
Hi, Gian 06 naman.
Yes, let's reach 90K for our next contestant. So, pa-comment ako sino yung next.
Yes.
Yes. Hi, Christina ng Jojo.
Thank you, Julian.
Comment for the next candidate. You're gonna count.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Stacy.
Stacy, let's go. Wow, gaya ka.
It's okay kung ako. Check.
Ah,
Ulit na lang. Kasi gusto ni Stacy.
isa pa po.
Isa pa, isa pa.
5, 6, let's go.
5, comment.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God.
Okay.
It's you.
Basket cake. Come on, let's go.
Basket game.
Oh, basket.
Actually, nakabalan.
Hindi ako confident.
Bahala na si Batman.
While waiting, guys, let's do hashtag
Ask Beanie. Send one to Universe for one question to be asked.
Yes. One moon verse, and we're gonna do Ask Me.
Yes.
Oh, thank you, Sim, for Reebok.
Thank you, Safer Biba. Okay, go
So
read.
let's read.
Yes, may nagtatanong kung may meet and greet daw po ba dun sa VIP. Meron po. And grab your tickets now.
Summer for everyone.
Thank you. So this is the question from Stakul. Stakul. Hi. Are you slowly feeling the sense of being an idol? How's it like? Hashtag Ask Beanie. Kayo ba? Na-feel niyo na ba na idol tayo?
Siguro ay
Hindi naman ako mapaniwala na idol kami.
We are lords in the making. Feeling ko, hindi talaga nagsisikin sa atin kasi parang ayaw natin makapag-support na
Ano, di ba lang, hindi ba simple life? Hindi namin na. Tsaka siguro mas okay na hindi pa pero talaga ka. Kasi
hindi tayo.
sorry. We're a bunch of teens, you know.
Yeah.
We're like you.
Join lang, nakalimutan namin lagi na kami.
Actually,
Dan, dapat I love you. Ganun. So, last
Kumain,
lalo pag nakaka-uwi na yung
yeah.
Here we are.
Last drinking for next Saturday.
Nice list, guys. Send one delivery na po to one question.
Yes, and to
Yes. Ex-Andy.
Wait lang. Sabi ni Azel at Spina, Manoy, ganda mo, grabe, parang Donnie lang, mukhang girl version.
Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, sige. Tony, so, yeah. Okay,
Thank you,
next
Serenity, for the universe.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow! Ay, sorry. Hala!
Guys, next week.
Maraming salamat po kay Sir Piwi sa inyong agana.
If you have any questions, go ask. Since hashtag ask din tayo. Yeah.
Kumusta po kayo, Sir Pini? How are you po? Wow, kamusta po ang work niyo and staff po? Comment on the word and read it. Comment ba, sir? No, not yet.
But while waiting for Sir Piwi, magbasa muna tayo ng question. Basa muna tayo ng question from Jules Jupiter. Hey, may tanong. Hey.
Yo.
From Jules Jupiter. Hi. Hello po. Di ko alam ba't nawawala utak ko pagdating sa Ask Beanie kahit na may gusto akong tanungin pero di ko talaga alam. Wow! Thank you, Frank. Yeah.
Teka, nakakagulat kayo.
Ayun, sabi, di ko alam ba't nawawala utak ko pagdating sa Ask Beanie. Kahit na may gusto akong tanungin, pero di ko talaga alam. Lumilipad na naman ang isip ko. Ha 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 ha. Okay, kamusta na lang ko? Kamusta daw kayo, Beanie? Kamusta daw tayo?
Pagod, but we're good.
Ayun, okay ka din ang Jules Jupiter.
We are very okay. Hi, Joanna. Speak Joanna. How about with you? Nice to meet you right there. How are you? How's your day today? How is it?
Wait, si Kuya Franco sabi niya, welcome ladies, hello again, I'm on my way home. Ingat po!
Kita po natin yung
Yes! Ang galing niyo po. Ay, tingnan niyo po yung phone niyo. Baka po makuha. Baka pagkala sa candidate.
Thank you, Renan. David.
Palapakan niyo ako. That's welcome to that.
Hi, Mika. Are you Mika? Are you not?
Ate Colette, introduce yourself first. Hi guys, good evening. I'm Colette Vergara, from 18 years old from Bohol. What's your height? I'm 5'5".
Wow!
Okay, this is your question. Miss Bohol.
What is your greatest strength as an individual?
Okay.
Wow. Thank you for that wonderful question. Yeah, thank you. Umalis. And then, for me, ang greatest strength ko as an individual is pagiging confident ko sa sarili ko. Kasi, paano ba, I get angry when I see videos of myself na parang alam ko sa sarili ko na I can do better. So, yun. And I thank you. Yes, that's so me, di ba? Ako yun, di ba?
Vote Ate Colette for president.
Yes, come on.
Talent corner, what's your talent?
Thank you, Sir Marquis Popcorn. Early to clap.
Are you a backflip?
Ano po, mag-split po ako na kapasan si Juan.
Yes.
Pero kakanta po ako, kakanta po. Mag-suggest lang po. Never Alone by Tori Kelly.
Art will go.
Gumawa ako si Joel. Thank you po. Go Ate Colette, sing your song.
Okay, Ate Jo. Colette Vergara, ang crying na. Wait lang po. Baka mali yung tono.
The city of Torsion.
Sorry po. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, go. In my time I've traveled some roads, a rolling stone, nowhere feels like home. And absent people come and they go. Life is just a story of some highs and some lows. Tell me, do you believe in miracles? I'm standing here before your eyes. I've cried many rivers, I've walked through some paths. I see my world crumble and I carry the shame. But I know somebody, he calls me his own. I can hear heaven singing now. Oh, you're never alone. Oh, you're never alone. Yo! Thank you! Give it up for it!
Napakagaling mo. Main vocal thing. Ang ganda ng pagtanong. Main vocal. Ito lagi na Nag-even ka.
That was their voice. Next out. Okay. Next contender. Next candidate is candidate. Oh, comment. Wait. Easy.
Ay, Stacy pa. Ay, di ba nikotan si Stapo? Go, Stapo.
So, ang ganda ng meaning ng Never Alone by Tori Kelly. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda.
Kala doon nakakantahin mo yung kung malaya.
Good evening, everyone. I'm the Stacy Sabalieja, ang Kikay Queen ng Beach Chat.
She's the Kika. Oh.
Yeah, what
What is your question, Miss Villanueva Vizcaya? Sorry.
Describe how you imagine the perfect concert with you.
Wow, thank you so much for that wonderful question, Dean Sheena. So, we have always been imagining our dream concerts kami ng girls. So, ang dream concert talaga namin is yung bang parang nasa big stage kami together with the 100 million villains of blues and cheering for us, chanting our names, Stacy, Joanna, Colin, like that. And I'm really, I love to imagine talaga. That's why minsan nga napapaniginipan ko ang blooms na ganun sila. diba? So, oh my God, I love the coconut blues. Like that. Yeah. And I can't wait for the very moment na may chat na talaga tayo. Kasi makikita ko talaga siya. Yung tatakbo tayo sa harapan nila. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.
May nabasa ako, sabi ni Bini Bloom, okay, what if I wanna buy the VIP ticket but too shy to do the meet and greet? Wag kang mahiya!
Don't be shy.
It's okay.
Okay, so
Pakita namin sa'yo.
Sabi ng Itzy, don't be shy.
not shy. Okay, so this is my talent portion. So I hope you like it, Blue. I need a big box. I'm gonna sing. I'm gonna sing Best Part by Danielle Suter. And featuring her. Go. You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. I'm fighting my way. You don't know that you are. You're the coffee that I get. You're my sunshine in the rain and it's pouring. Won't you give it to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Yay! Thank you.
Friend stickers for Sheena Sen.
Diyan po nagtatapos yung segment natin. Thank you.
Thank you, Sing for P-Pop 4. Tayo mag-shower.
She.
I mean,
You do you.
Hello? You read that? Actually, hindi ako marunong.
Okay, so here's your question. Are you ready, candidate Bebe?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You're ready.
Pass me my phone.
Okay, here's your question. What do you love the most about being a beanie? What do you love the most?
What do I love the most?
Yes.
The thing that I love the most about being a beanie is creating memories with them. Yes, creating memories that will last for a lifetime. Talagang that's the greatest achievement and blessing na tanto ko.
Treasure.
Yeah, and just magto 2 years pa lang ang dami na yung memories na go. One more pa, mga 20 years.
Grabe naman yun.
Yes. Yes, guys. I'm ano na nun.
37 na ako.
You're not a Bebe anymore.
I'm 37 na nun.
I don't like that. You're always a baby.
Guys, 4 years old na si Ate Aya na.
You should always be a Bebe.
Bini hanggang dulo, hanggang 104. Oh! Wait. My talents.
What's your talent, Bebe?
I'm gonna sing.
She's gonna do cartwheel.
Yes, I'm gonna sing. It will rain.
Wow.
Okay, let's do
God, I don't know that. Yes, I will sing that.
Sheena, katakutan.
Stop ko yung dalagang. Ang bilis ba?
Ay, paano ba?
If you ever... You're gonna get fast. If you ever...
Sige. Magtatawanan nga tayo kasi yun yung banding.
Uy! Kawawa naman nanonood yung asawa mo!
Go, go, go. Pero hindi na muna kayo.
we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that can save me. No matter time is on the floor. So keep in mind on the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side. Walking out the door, 'cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear sky if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same. If you walk away, everything will rain, rain, rain. Ooh. Salamat po.
Give it up for Baby Sheena.
I'm so proud of my bebe. You're also a bebe, okay?
Ay, bakit dyan?
Main dancer pero grabe
Send
yung
stickers po
vocal.
kayo for Sheena.
May vocal siya.
Stickers forever. Thank you, Sim, for Pipa, for the curly claps. Oh my God. Sorry! Thank you,
Thank you! Pusan ka?
Lagay ka sa blue.
Wow, thank you so much, Sir P.
Ang dami dyan!
We're gonna do
TikTok.
ito. We will.
We will rock.
We will sing the
For you guys.
Sabi ni Yani Chansu, nakabili na raw siya ng VIP. Hello po, Ate Yani!
Hi, And guys, let's have the voting.
Let's have
Yes, guys.
voting.
So, ngayon magkakaroon tayo ng voting. Ang gaya. So, guys,
We're going to have a voting right now. This is just for fun, you know? So, ngayon pipili po kayo, Bloom, kung sa tingin nyo, sino ang magwawaki na BBT. Now, this voting will be only one. We will only give you 1 minute to send the stickers. Per
Yeah.
person, there is an assigned stickers.
Yes.
And what is yours, Ate Malone?
mine is Sleepy.
Wait! Bloom, tandaan niyo po yung mga sasabihin namin stickers. Oh, go. Yan.
So, yung sticker ko po is Sleeping.
Mine is Sinulog.
Mine is Angel.
Mine is Rainbow.
Mine is love. Mine is Valentine.
Mine is Wing.
Mine is meditate.
And now that you know all the stickers, we will give you 1 minute to
Go.
set for the voting session, and the one that starts in 3, 2, 1.
Let's go. 7, 56, 55.
Yes, for fun.
Send stickers.
Pwede daw ng lahat. Yes, of course.
Yeah, because we are born to win.
Nasa voting rank po. Nasa voting rank
It's in the voting tab.
Sa voting tab po yung stickers kung nalilito po kayo.
Guys, nakalimutan na raw nila.
So one more time, Ate Malone.
So mine is Sleeping. Sleeping.
Sinulog.
Mine is
Angel.
Mine is Rainbow.
Mine is love. Mine is Valentine.
Mine is Wing Kinda.
Mine is meditate.
Yay!
Five,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Who is the winner?
Saan yung voting tab?
Angel.
Wow, it's Auntie Aya! With 72 votes, you are for the baby.
And natandaan niyo pa ba? Last ano pa yun? Last month. Yes, you are remember.
Pero fun lang naman to. And thank you po.
Because we're all winners.
Yeah,
We are
we are all
winners.
winners because we are gaining and we are born to win. And also the Bloom. They are born to win. Right, Bloom?
Yes. Tama. Yes. And guys, dahil dalawang ibong adar na ang sinend ni Kuya Kiwi, thank you so much. Kuya Kiwi. Let's give Kuya Kiwi a thank you. Sabay-sabay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Sir At
Dahil dyan.
to all the blooms na nag-send ng stickers ko. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you po.
Dahil po sa napakaraming stickers na sinend you today, Bloom, we have a special group performance prepared for you guys. Which is a song that is very, you know, yeah, iconic. And it's just where it started, you know?
Yes. Literally. Let's go. Kakantay mo namin ay Nikki. Bye, sir.
Gary, Robin Chan.
We miss you, Sir Gary. Yeah.
Miss you po.
Sir Gary. You remember us?
Yeah,
We
we
miss
hope
you,
to
Gary.
collaborate with you soon.
Yes.
Hindi ko talaga makakalimutan.
Punta tayo sa bahay niya.
Bumuhos na ang ulan. Naubos na ang laman ng puso mo ay di kailangan sumimangot po tapos okay lang. Life goes on, together we get past the storm. Drop on my legs for a while, but you's not forget to smile.
Lagi mo nang tandaan, siya ay laging nandyan. Di ka bibitawan hanggang bumaan ng pinapasan.
So don't you ever feel alone. You gotta be set, keep pushing on. Each day it's another challenge. That's like you just keep on smiling.
Kahit na anong daan ay hirap, kahit naman natin ito. Huwag kang malumay basta sumikap, kahit mo ang laging nandun. Kahit na mapaundang ng buhay, lumabo ang kulay, di mauubusan ng dahil ang kumawag. Kahit ang pagkunan, di ka dapat matakot mo.
Huwag kang negatibo, magduwag kang paapekto. Ang buhay natin ay madali. Likas sa atin ang umiti. Come on, show the world your smile. Come on, show the world your style. Come on, show the world you're beautiful and that you are worthwhile.
Kahit na anong daan ang mahirap, kaya na malapit ito. Huwag kang malamay basta magsumikap,
Twitter. Tapos ngayon, TV na tayo.
Oh my gosh, wow. I love the coconut. Come on, baby boy. Come on, baby boy. The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat too much, you get very fat now. Coconut nut? Nut.
Let's, nut is not a nut.
Okay, sensors po,
Thank you guys for sa thank you po. Thank you so much. Yes, guys. Nakalimutan mo tayo, Mike.
Opo.
Hindi po.
Hindi po.
Kaya kulang po yung namin lang. Nino yan lang. Hindi ito. Well, thank you po. Thank you, Sim, for Bebop for happy birthday. Oh, Ate Maloy.
It's your day tomorrow.
Guys.
A few hours na lang.
Yes, sabi mo po na. Let's go.
Yes, guys. Let's try to reach 2 million views bago mag-release ng mga
Thank
today.
you, Jimmy.
Yes, sana po nag-enjoy po kayo. And don't forget to follow us on all of our social media accounts. Yes. Please keep safe.
Si Ate Manoy ng happy birthday.
Ito yung pag-record ako.
Okay.
Guys,
Kanta na. Look, kanta rin kayo dyan ah.
dapat na yung version.
Happy birthday.
Six, seven.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wow! Happy birthday, Ate Maloy. Ready na ba kayo?
Yes, I'm
Ready na ba kayo makita si
Ate Maloy, sayaw ka, sayaw. Sige na, Joanna.
Jolly na?
Tigil po kay Ate Maloy.
Na? Ready na ba kayo makita si
Yes,
Jolly?
thank you guys for enjoying sa pagsama sa amin ngayon sa Kumu. And, yes, screenshot mo tayo.
Go screenshot. Screenshot to